Hey everybody, just a quick follow-up video in relation to if your aircon or water pooling into the vehicle here, and I just want to give you some feedback to let you know. I'll try and keep it short. Now, I think there's been a couple of people before that have had some sort of weird clear fluid, not brake fluid, maybe not water, maybe something leaking out places. I can't remember the details. That's what our Facebook groups are for. Just like this YouTube channel, 4 Before Diesel, there's a group on Facebook, 4 Before Diesel, answer the 3 questions. Don't swear, no personal attacks, just sharing information, helping each other, catch you there. But always, if you've got a problem, please come back and reply with a solution, or even put a new post up with the problem and the solution so people can find it if they search it, helping each other, right? So the customer told me about a heap of fluid on the mat, happened a few times, it was a hot day, blah, blah, blah. So after we finished the other major work on the vehicle, I decided to have a bit of a look. They've got the trim removed there. I pulled the trim underneath up there. We pulled the hose off, cleared it out. Don't know whether it was blocked or not, but this has been driven for over an hour and there's no water there. So there's certainly definitely no aircon water there. And the good news is there's a whole heap of water here, which is what we want to see. That's normal where the water should go. It looks very clean and clear. I'm not sure if it was aircon water or what. It did look really dirty, but it could have been the water in with all the dirt and everything that was on the mat. So I wasn't there. All I saw was a photo. If I remember, I'll even put it at the end of the video, but I'll probably forget. Anyway, there's the water. That's what you should see on a hot day, particularly if it's humid when you're running your air conditioning system. I hope that helps. Like I said, clear out all your drain tubes on your cars and on your split systems on your house. It's your best method of cooling. It works bloody awesome. Catch you in the next video. See ya. This is our Hilux. Just sort of show you, just been driven for about 15 minutes. Same thing, moisture dripping out of the air box, the heater box, off the evaporator. It's really good to regularly run your aircon to keep everything lubricated. And of course, this will wash the evaporator off, keeping it nice and clean and clear instead of being caked in dust. Remember to use it on fresh wherever you can for fresh air. And also remember to make sure you've got a cabin filter there and regularly change your cabin filter. Thanks for watching. See ya.